Hello everyone, this is Bethany from Southern Couture, and this is just one of those favorite videos I love to do every single December, so it's going to be such a fun one. This is the newest devotional kit from Illustrated Faith. This is their Advent kit. I love the Advent study, and I look forward to it every year. It's the one that I really love to do and try to go all out and just dig in deep. So, what I want to say though first is a big thank you to Shauna and Illustrated Faith for sending me the kit so I could share it with y'all. And the other thing is that if you have never got a kit from Illustrated Faith before, I do want to say that this is a totally different setup of what you would normally get in the devotional kits. So if you are interested in their kits, you can go to other unboxing videos that I've done before and see, because this is a lot different for Advent. They had kind of a different idea and everything behind it. And so if you normally have, like, you're used to seeing maybe devotional content and those type of things, when we say a devotional kit, this one's going to have a different setup. Oops, completely. Okay, so just keep that in mind as I go through it. It is so adorable, and I just love this idea that they had. So what happens is you get all of your little goodies and kit in this little berry box, which is adorable. So you could decorate this if you wanted, put some washi or something on it. And you've got all your little goodies to work through your 25 days of Advent right in here. And then included also, I'm so glad they kept a washi in here. And it also had this fun star confetti all in the packaging, which is really fun. So you'll see it's like all down in there, which you could so use in your journaling too. But they included a washi, and I'm so glad they did. This is the Ray in Black, and y'all know how much I love having a black and white washi. So that's always going to be fun. Having lots of color and then adding a little bit of the pops of black and white in the details is fun. So we've got our washi, and then you have this little tag here that says 25 days of Advent. So you could reuse this in your journaling. You could use this for, like, if you're doing some kind of flip ring or album as your cover, whatever you wanted to do with it. And that's what you've got as your little, like, title card, I guess you would say. And then as we go through, what is so fun is there are a lot of different ways you could approach this if you wanted. You could go and bust open all of these fun little envelopes. You've got 25 envelopes, and they all have a different little surprise piece of ephemera, stickers, ribbons, things like that. So you could go through, bust them all open if you want to, get like a journal or a notebook all set up, ready to go. But I think that's what I normally do, is have things prepped ahead of time. But I think what I want to do this time is wait and open up each one for each day and kind of have like a little bit of a surprise element there. So it's totally up to you, but there are 25 of these little envelopes. And what I love is that you could totally reuse these in your journaling as well, which would be a lot of fun. They've also got these little tickets, which is so cute. Each of them has a different little ticket stickers. And I don't think they're like washi. They don't peel off of the envelope, like super well or anything like that. So they're going to stick a little bit. But if you don't peel them off and you want to like trim around them, which is probably what I'll do, you could so reuse these in your journaling, okay? And then each one is going to have a fun little surprise here. And so, like, this one has hope, and it has, this really fun little, I love the way they've designed the word, and these little star stickers, okay? So each day I'll have a little surprise. I will open a few of these. I don't want to open all of them because I want you guys to be surprised, and I want to be surprised too as we go through and open each of them. So one thing I do want to say about that, and it's saying hope, is there is also a flashcard set that you could buy in the physical or digital from Illustrated Faith. And if they're all sold out of the physical ones, there are the digital, like I said, you could print out. And I believe that day one on those flashcards is hope, and it has a scripture prompt. So here's the really cool thing, is that if you wanted devotional content and scripture prompts to go along with like this Advent calendar type of ephemera and, little paper crafting goodies, you could grab those flashcards and use those to go along with it. So you would have a, like, it's a flashcard and it says hope at the bottom and it has a scripture prompt up at the top. You could use that for your scripture to go along with day one's little envelope goodie, which I think is something I'm going to do, and grab the digital ones probably. And then they have some other Advent goodies like Taylor's card sets that she's really famous for in the print and pray shop. They have those in a physical and in a digital version. And so you could use those to go along with this. So they've made them where they coordinate. And I don't have the physical cards yet, or I would show you, but my little plan is to use those physical cards and use these little prompts to go along with the study cards from Taylor, and then maybe use the flashcards in with my journaling and see how the scripture prompts all line up. So it's going to be fun. I'm really excited about it. Let's go grab another random one here. This one looks like it's fun. This would be day 10. And also these little tickets. I noticed that the Illustrated Faith has the digital of these. See, more stars falling out. That they have the digital, they had these tickets, I believe, last year for Advent, but they do have a 2020 set of tickets that coordinates that you could grab, to go along with it in case you don't want to use these and they get messed up when you're opening. So like here's day 10. It has this beautiful little snow globe with the nativity that says, "Oh, come let us adore him," and these fun little greenery pieces. So each day you're going to have a little something fun and different to add in with your journaling. Let's see. This one, ooh, this one's good. So this is what's so fun about this little surprise, is that I think it's like an Advent calendar for us crafty nerds. And I mean that in the best way, because, you see the fun Advent calendars for kids and they get to open each day and get a piece of chocolate or whatever it is. Well, this is going to be a fun way for us to have a little surprise each day to open to see what's in our journaling. So look at this one. You get this really fun star stencil, which is something you can reuse over and over. So I think this is so fun. And then let's try, I saw, this one looks like it has some fun ribbon in it. I'm like, do I really want to keep going? Because I don't want to ruin anything for anybody. This one looked like it had some fun little ephemera pieces in it as well. Ooh, some little maybe heart stickers. So that's as far as I'm going to go because I don't want to ruin it. I think it's going to be fun to work through each day and see what's in our little Advent goodie here in each bag and use it. See how we get creative with using what we have each day in our journaling. But make sure you head over to Illustrated Faith, grab your kit. At the time I'm recording, they're still available. They will sell out really fast, I'm sure of it, because they always do, especially Advent. It's such a popular study that they have, and I love how this is just a little different, something with a Advent calendar aspect to it for all of us to open up and still be able to study through. But you do want to go check out their shop, grab your kit, and also check out the cards that I was telling you about and some of their other fun goodies they have for Advent, so that you can use your ephemera, your stickers, your ribbon, all this fun goodness, your washi, along with their other Advent studies as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that you will join everyone in the Bible journaling community for Advent. It's going to be such a blessing and such a good time, and I cannot wait. I will be back, though, very, very soon, sharing my plans. I mentioned a little bit about it, but I'm going to have things finalized, and I'll share my plans for how I'm going to work through the kit, through some other things that they have, like the card sets and all of that, and how I'm going to have it set up, and I can't wait to share. So let me know if you're joining in the comments below, or if you have any ideas of ways to work through this too that we could share with each other. And make sure you're subscribed. Click that bell icon so you know when that video comes out, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.